Put vinegar into the toilet tank and watch what happens when you pull the chain. The cleaning of the home is of vital importance, although sometimes it is impossible to clean some areas. For this type of cases it is necessary to buy some cleaning products, but in many cases it is not necessary, since we have many products in our house that are very economical and also very effective. In this video we will let you know what happens when you put vinegar to the toilet tank. The result is great, so it's time to put it into practice. Tricks to clean the bathroom with vinegar. 1. Next time you clean your toilet, we recommend using vinegar. This will help kill all bacteria, germs, mold and deposits of dirt. 2. Open the lid of the tank and empty a large amount of white vinegar into it, then you should take care of the edge of the toilet by cleaning it with vinegar. 3. Finally, soak some toilet paper with vinegar and place it on the edge of the bathroom interior. Leave it there for several minutes. After a good period of time, remove and clean with an old toothbrush before unloading, and you will see how it is completely clean. Clean the bathroom glass. There are times when the bathroom glass is very dirty and soap is not enough. For these types of cases, what you should do is take 3 bags of black tea, and once you are ready, empty it in a sprayer, then pass a newspaper and see how it acts. The result is surprising. Eliminate bad odors. When we have bad smell in the bathroom, the main cause is the brush. So to not emit bad odor, what you should do is to place a little multi-cleaner on the base and place the brush. You should submerge it from time to time to remain completely clean.